Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Tang namar kajing bam Kitkhia jong ki khat arngot ki MDC bathamai, bon poi biangpor sya kajing pensmai ke balalong, ha ka hendru trek mata banai leber, arajar kat khandai. Ha ka yeng darbar thawan jong ka Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council, u Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Jhadc Hills District, bat ki khatnya ngot ki MDC ki bala poi biangpor, kila ha ban up ye kini ki MDC hadu kumba arpo minit AA. Kat kum ka hukum bala penmi daulat kejala, lapan tep syabaro ki arp khandai ngot ki MDC, ba kajing pensmai ki kanlong ha kapor shpho bajem step. Kapor kelatiet shpho bajem step, handrai layu i batang khatnya ngot ki MDC kila poi sya ka yeng darbar jong ka JHADC. U Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Jhadc Hills District, u ba Garad LSN Dykes, yau bala penkhamti ban pensmai ki MDC ula poi biangpor, bat syongru ha ka syuki u syongknor. Ha kapor shpho la shpho menstep sawan poi sakatu kanengot ki MDC, bat ha kapor shpho shpwa sakatu kanengot, bat ya kajing pensmai lala ban sedang pura, hadu ha kapor shpho arpho menstep.
Allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to. Constitution of India as by law established, and I will be faithful to discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. I, Shri Kitkhia, have been elected nominated from my Nongji District Council constituency as the member of the District Council of the Jhadc Autonomous District Council. Do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am entered about.
Faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about.
I, Shri Kitkhia, being elected from 14 Montreal District Council constituency as a member of the District Council of the Jhadc Autonomous District, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Shri Kitkhia, having been elected from both Samanting District Council constituency as the member of the District Council of the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Kalwar Shiva, having been elected from the District Council constituency as the member of the District Council of the Jhadc Autonomous District, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Having been elected from 19 Joyce South Constituency District Council constituency as a member of the District Council of the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Sri Kitkhia, having been elected from 6 November District Council constituency as the member of the District Council of the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law, and I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Shri Ahmed and having been elected from Jhadc Central District Council constituency as the member of the District Council of the Jhadc Autonomous District, to swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear full faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty of what which I am about to enter.
I, Shri Ahmed, having been nominated from Jhadc Central District Council constituency as the member of the District Council of the Jhadc Autonomous District Council, though swear in the solemnly affirm that I will bear faithfully and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Having elected from 17 July Council constituency as the member of the District Council of Jhadc Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God. I will bear faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will faithfully discharge the duty of which I am about to enter. I, who have been elected from Pakistan, the Council as a member of the District Council, the Jhadc Autonomous District, to bear the name of God, to be able that I will bear full faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Shri F. having been elected from Trivandrum West District Council constituency as the members of the District Council of the Jhadc Autonomous District, do swear in the name of God, affirms that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I welcome all the newly elected members of the Jhadc Autonomous District Council who are attending the session for the purpose of taking oath or confirmation ceremony today. We are all aware that our business for today is oath taking or confirmation for all of you. Before we proceed ahead, I would like to read out the orders of the Governor confirming upon the Deputy Commissioner to preside over the first day session of the Jhadc Autonomous District Council. The notification reads like this. In partial modification of this Department Notification Number DCA 14/2018/13, dated 3rd March 2019, and in exercise of the powers conferred under Subgroup 5 of Rule 36, read the subgroups 1, 2, and 4 of Rule 32 of the Assam and Autonomous District Constitution of District Councils Rules 1951, as amended by the Jhadc Autonomous District Council, and other powers and claiming in this behalf, the Governor of Kitkhia is pleased to summon the meetings of the Jhadc Autonomous District Council in the District Council of Juwai and Perus. 1. The first meeting of the Jhadc Autonomous District Council after the general elections 2019 on the 6th March 2019, Wednesday at 10 a.m. for subscribing of vote or affirmation by the newly elected members of the said council. 2. The meeting of the election to replace the chairman of the said council on the 7th March 2019, Thursday at 11 a.m.
As per the notice already issued to all of you yesterday, the election of chairman has already been fixed on the 7th of March 2019 at 11 hours in this council hall, and the nomination papers for the election of chairman shall be submitted to the secretary of the council before 12 noon today, that is the 6th of March 2019, and as of today, since we have no more business to discuss, I adjourn this house till the 7th of March 2019, and we will reassemble again at 11 a.m. tomorrow in this hall. Thank you.